let's look at delta. So if you are given a voltage, you put it here, the supply voltage, the number of turns, the load. Then this is the picture to represent the primary section. Is like this. You're looking for these two, the supply voltage and the phase voltage, line voltage, phase voltage. You're looking for this, but this one is given, this one is also given. This one, when you get the voltage is equal, then this is the secondary section and the load section. You're checking for this and this one. So it depends on the configuration, whether if it's this one is delta. So if it's a star, then you're going to use this formula. If it's a delta, you're going to use this formula. So this one is just directly supply from there. Then this is the equation that you need to, this equation, you need to calculate these values. Then this is the delta. So you're going to look for this one. The voltage is given. Determine the phase voltage for the primary line and the phase voltage. Then you're going to get the phase voltage from the ratio, then the line voltage. Then you're going to calculate the line and the phase load voltage. Then you're going to calculate the current, the line current and the phase current. Then you're going to calculate the current for the secondary. Then phase current for the primary. And that's it.